When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died, my richest guide, I come but lost and poor content on all my pride. Forbid it, Lord, that I should boast, save in the death of Christ, my God. All the vain things that charm me most, I sacrifice them to His blood. See from His head, His heart, His feet, sorrow and love flow mingled down. The tears touch love and sorrow meet, all thoughts compose, so rich a crown. His dying crimson like a robe spreads o'er His body on the tree. Then am I dead to all the globe, and all the globe is dead to me. Though the whole realm of nature mine, that were present, far too small, love so amazing, so divine, demands my soul, my life, my all. Love so amazing, so divine, demands my soul, my life, my all. Demands my soul.